Hello everyone, I'm Aisha and welcome back to another weekly savings challenge and dividend portfolio update. I hope everyone is doing well. Today's update is going to be a short one, so let's go straight to the agenda. The first thing in our agenda for today is to generate this week's savings amount. After that, we will take a look at how my trading 212 dividend portfolio performed last week. Lastly, we will run the dividend script and see whether there are any ex-dividend dates that we can take advantage of next week. If you are only interested in certain parts of the video, I have prepared the timestamps in the description box below. Feel free to skip to your preferred sections. Let's start our agenda with the 52-week savings challenge. In the last video, I deposited another 28 ringgit into my Stashaway simple account. It's a new month, so let's type in the random between 1 to 13 formula here and see what random number we will get. Okay, this week I have to set aside 10 ringgit. Now, let's move on to the Trading 212 dividend portfolio update. Last week, I deposited $5 on Wednesday as I was anticipating that the market will drop further towards the end of the week, and luckily I was right. So I took advantage of the market downturn by buying more realty income and one share of Vodafone Group on the next day. I decided to get one share of Vodafone to lower down the average price per share as it is taking forever to climb. As you can see here, the current average price per share is 1.58 USD and the current share price is 1.34 USD per share. The ex-dividend date for Vodafone is also coming up in the third week of November, so I hope I am killing two birds with one stone here. Then on Friday, I spent the rest of the free funds balance on my banking and financial institution Pi. My portfolio closed at 107.02 USD last week, down by 6.21%. Look at the huge crater. Surprisingly, I managed to maintain my cool and composure, continuing to dollar cost averaging and not panic selling. Despite the ugly volatility last week, some of my holdings are actually doing well. First is Duke Energy, which was up by 11.03%, and followed by Coca-Cola at 4.9%. My biggest loser is still BP, down by 33.16%. Please take note that anything mentioned in this video is not a financial advice and my videos are for entertainment purposes only. Please seek professional advice from certified advisors before starting to invest your hard-earned money. And reinvestment has its own risks, especially in this uncertain time. Now, let's move on to our last agenda. Let's see which company has an ex-dividend date next week. I ran the script earlier but forgot to record that section. But nonetheless, I will link the video tutorials on how to come up with this dividend tracker on the top right corner if you guys are interested and want to track dividends from your favorite companies. A fellow YouTuber came up with this tracker, so head on to his channel and show some support. Next week, AT&T and Verizon will be paying out their dividends. I managed to top up my investments in these two before the ex-dividend date, so I can expect a higher dividend to be received this quarter. As for the ex-dividend dates, we still have time to buy some more shares of Visor. My holdings in Visor are doing well and have been in the green for quite some time. As you can see here, I am earning more in capital appreciation. I think that is all for today's video. Don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Be safe and take care.